Hello, I'm Paul Whittle, Group Product Manager responsible for rail. We're here today at the Network Rail Train Electrification Centre at Swindon to introduce our newly released product, the 4-collar, now full Network Rail approved, and we will give the chance to the maintenance team here to be introduced to the product initially and to be hands-on with the product.
I've just been introduced to the Gripple 4-collar. I think it's great and it's very easy and very self-explanatory to use. The wire goes in, you can adjust via the adjustment window here, and then for extra redundancy you can then tighten as well. You've got the Clovis pin and the safety pin here for safety. It's just a really easy to use product.
The Gripple 4-collar, its three main core product benefits are that it's quick and easy to install. This is achieved by the push button mechanism. This same button can also provide product adjustability pre-tension to ensure the product's placement on the conductor cable is where you require it. Versatility, it can be both used for stranded conductor cable and solid conductor cable, and a range of cable sizes.